Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson we will study about pronoun in lesson 5 of grammar book. Open your books on page 14. Students, we know that pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Pronoun has many types. In this lesson we will study about interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronoun? Definition is interrogative pronouns are question words. Interrogative pronouns are question words. They are used to ask questions. They are used to ask question. That's why they are called interrogative pronoun. For example, who is he? Whose is that camera? Who and whose are the example of interrogative pronoun. The other examples are what, who, where, when, which, why, whose, what. Urdu meaning kya? It is used to ask about animal or thing. Like what is this? Who? Kaun? It is used to ask about people. Where? Kahan? It is used to ask about places. When? Kab? It is used to ask about time. Which? Kaun sa? It is used when there is a choice given. Which is your favorite fruit? Why? Kyun? It is used for asking a reason. Why are you late? Whose? Kiska? It is used to ask about people the things belong to. Belong to? Whose is this book? Come to page 15. Exercise A. Circle the correct answer. Why are you sad? What are they doing? Where are the books? Whose is this pencil? When does she come back? Make questions for the underlined words. Rabia does her homework in the study room in the evening. Students, Rabia is underlined word. Students, word Rabia is underlined. So we will make the question and we will use the word who. Who does her homework in the study room in the evening? Rabia does her homework in the study room in the evening. Word her is underlined. So we will use word whose. Whose homework does Rabia do in the study room in the evening? Rabia does her homework in the study room in the evening. Words her homework are underlined. So we will use what. What does Rabia do in the study room in the evening? Rabia does her homework in the study room in the evening. In the study room are the words which are underlined. So we will use word where. Where. This is place. Study room is place. Where does Rabia do her homework in the evening? Rabia does her homework in the study room in the evening. In the evening, the words that are underlined. When does Rabia do her homework in the study room in the evening? In the evening, evening show the time. The word evening shows the time. Rabia likes red color. Choice. Which is Rabia's favorite color? Rabia was puzzled because she lost her pen. Reason is given. We use the interrogative pronoun why. Why was Rabia puzzled? Students, before I start to solve exercise A, students, we will discuss about the other types of pronoun. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and about interrogative pronouns we have already studied. Personal pronouns take the place of nouns. They can be subject or object of the sentence. They can be subject or object of the sentence. For example, in a sentence, if subject case is he, then in object case is him in a sentence. In subject case, we use he, and in object case, objective case, we will use him in a sentence. Possessive pronouns talk about things belonging to people or animals. Demonstrative pronouns point out which one or ones we are talking about. Which one or ones we are talking about, like this, that, these, those, etc. Exercise A. Select and fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns given in brackets. Number 1. You are more intelligent than he. You are more intelligent than he. She is taller than I. I run as fast as they. There is no difference between you and me. Who broke the glass if not he? He is Ahmed. Do you know him? Who bought this car? They are far better players than we. Whose assignment is complete? This pen is mine. Students, word he is subject case of personal pronoun. Word I is also subject case of personal pronoun. First person pronoun. He is third person pronoun of subjective case. They. There is third person pronoun. Word they is third person pronoun. Me, objective case of I. He, first person pronoun. Him, objective case of person pronoun. Who, interrogative word, interrogative pronoun. We, first person pronoun of subjective case. Whose, interrogative pronoun. And mine. Mine are the word which is possessive pronouns. Students, these are the word. Exercise B. Fill up the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns or possessive adjectives given within brackets at the end of each sentence. This is my book, but that one is not mine. That is our garden, but this is not ours. She is sleeping in my room, but I am not sleeping in hers. We have taken our shares. Has he taken his? I have learnt my lesson, but she has yet to learn hers. Exercise C. Rewrite these sentences using the possessive pronoun. The first one is done for you. This is Saad's bat. This bat is his. These are my files. These files are mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. Those are our clothes. Those clothes are ours. That is his plate. His flat. That is his flat. That flat is his. These are Azim and Zahid's toy. These toys are theirs. This is your computer. This computer is yours. These are your aprons. These aprons are yours. This is Sahar's jewelry. This jewelry is Sahar's. This jewelry is hers. This is grandfather's rosary. This rosary is his. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.